Abraham Quintanilla Jr., the father, manager, and producer of Tejano's late superstar Selena Quintanilla, has passed away on Saturday. He ardently defended her legacy following her sad murder. He was 86. Singer and producer A.B. Quintanilla III, his son, posted a picture of his father on Instagram along with the message, "It's with a heavy heart to let you guys know that my dad passed away today. The cause of death has not been revealed by the family. The USC's County Medical Examiner's Office confirmed it was notified but did not assume jurisdiction, indicating no signs of trauma or foul play." Quintanilla, who was born in Corpus Christi on February 20th, 1939, was raised in a Mexican-American home and began pursuing music at a young age, fronting their doo-wop group Los Dinos in the 1950s and 1960s. After marrying Marcela Ophelia Zamora in 1963, he left the band to support his family due to discrimination in the English language market. 3 children were born to the couple, Selena, Suzette, and A.B. Quintanilla reformed Los Dinos as a new family group, Selena by Los Dinos, in response to financial difficulties in the early 1980s. He persistently led the group after recognizing his 9-year-old daughter's extraordinary aptitude. He once remarked, "Her timing, her pitch were perfect. They broke barriers in the male-dominated Tejano music by touring small venues, weddings, and fairs with A.B. on bass and Suzette on drums." With singles like Como La Flor, Amor Prohibido, and Bidi Bidi Bom Bom, Selena rose to the top of Billboard charts, won a Grammy, and became the queen of Tejano music. Under his tutelage, when tragedy occurred, she was about to become well known in England. Yolanda Saldivar, a former fan club president and boutique manager, whom Quintanilla had addressed about financial irregularities, shot and killed 23-year-old Selena on March 31st, 1995. The murder shocked followers all over the world and grieved the family. Quintanilla went on to become the unwavering protector of Selena's reputation. The 1997 biography, Selena, starring Jennifer Lopez and Edward James Olmos as him, was executive produced by him. He managed Posthumous Records, Souvenirs, and the Selena Foundation, which supports underprivileged kids through Q Productions. Additionally, he made appearances in 2 recent projects, the 2025 documentary Selena via Los Dinos, A Family's Legacy, and the Netflix series Selena, the series from 2020 to 2021. Tensions with Selena's widower, Chris Perez, over a memoir and legal fights over unapproved works were among the criticism leveled at his protective style. Quintanilla insisted that his efforts honored her legacy and promoted the development of Tejano music, despite criticism that the family was over-commercializing her image. Quintanilla's wife Marcela, son A.B., daughter Suzette, who has assumed a more prominent position in overseeing the family's works, and grandkids survive him. Fans showered him with tributes, honoring a man whose fortitude transformed personal tragedy into a lasting cultural legacy.